Hi everyone and welcome back to Nutritics. We just launched a new version of the software, so I thought I'd take you through the changes really quickly. We have some really exciting changes this month, and first up is a change in our sharing function. We'll now allow you to share across sub-recipes to other Nutritics users along with the master recipe. So as an example, let's open up our blueberry smoothie, which we know has a sub-recipe, so strawberry ice cream is in the smoothie. So strawberry ice cream itself is another recipe, so it's what we call a sub-recipe. So when we share this across to other users, it will now ask you if you'd like to share across the strawberry ice cream sub-recipe. What will happen here if we click yes is that the other user can actually right-click and view the recipe or edit it if they have editing access. If we click no here, they'll still see the name of the sub-recipe as an ingredient, but they just can't open it. So that's a really useful change that we've made this month. Another exciting change is that we're trying to make the food or recipe category a bit more central. So we know that this is a really important field that we have to fill in for our foods and recipes. So you'll now notice that we actually have it here in the top bar. So previously this used to say category, but now you can see that you've ticked that box and filled in that information. So hopefully that saves you some time and some peace of mind as well. Next up, probably our most exciting change this month, we've improved on our find and replace feature. So previously when you replaced an item out with a new one, we'd replace that across all recipes that the item was used in. Now we'll actually extend this and replace the item on any menus that it's used in also. Let's open up an ingredient that I know is used in some menus and some other recipes as well. So baked cod, let's replace baked cod. So it's used in our chowder. So if we replace out baked cod with salmon, we'll switch it out with this baked salmon from our UK database. So if we review the changes, it's going to show the differences in the recipe composition when we switch it out. So let's replace that. And then it's actually going to ask us if we'd like to replace the food out on any menus that it's used in also. So if you had multiple menus here that the food's used in, you would just tick or untick which ones you'd like to switch out. And then all you do is click yes. So that one should be really useful. And then lastly, let me pop into another account. If you are a master account and you have site licenses underneath you, you can now actually change a setting that will allow you to prevent your sites from changing any settings within their own accounts. So this means that they can't access their settings bar at all. So it should prevent any issues with your accounts changing their email or their password or their username, or maybe even just the databases that they access. So if we go down to account, we have our usual settings here, such as share your food costs across, share custom fields across, but now you can actually lock the site settings. So hopefully that helps keep a handle on those master accounts that have lots of site accounts as well. As always, we have lots of other smaller changes that have happened this month, so definitely keep an eye on our changelog for that. If you have any questions at all, you can just let us know by reaching out to our engagement team at support@nutritics.com.